Welcome back. It can be overwhelming to determine your eligibility for Medicare, so the Simplicity Advisory Group is joining us now to talk about ways they can help you navigate this complex world of healthcare. Thank you, Yvette and Stephanie, for coming in today.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for having us on.
First and foremost, let's share more about Simplicity Advisory Group and why you started it.
That's awesome. Actually, we started Simplicity Advisory Group as a one-stop shop for Medicare recipients. So if you're on Medicare, you're a veteran considering retiring or approaching 65, Simplicity Advisory Group is a place to go to be able to navigate the entire process. I've played team sports all my life. I've been a team player, and I played in the WNBA and coached professionally, and so we both really pride ourselves on teamwork, integrity, loyalty, and we just want to make the process easy. Our mission is to make it simple, and we want our consumers to be able to come to Simplicity Advisory Group and have a clear path as to what they need to do to navigate Medicare, a one-stop shop.
Yeah, Medicare can be quite confusing, especially for those who are sort of approaching that age. And what would you want to let them know about how to navigate all of this?
Absolutely. See, so one of the big confusions is that individuals sometimes think that it's a one size fits all, and unfortunately it doesn't. Everybody's needs are different. And quite honestly, there are probably over 68 different options for individuals to choose from when it comes to planning. So once you get original Medicare, it's like, now what, right? Because the original Medicare doesn't cover all of your care. And so you have all these 68 plus options, and we probably offer about 68 different plans. We don't offer all plans, and we are brokers and licensed, but additionally, we do help people with life insurance, annuity, and New York State of Health. Again, one-stop shop for a lot of the things that people need. But that whole concept is that one plan is good for everyone, but it's not the case.
Not. And those, why is it important for those in their young 60s to really start planning now versus when they are at that age where they need it?
Yeah, you really don't want to wait until you're 65 because it really can affect your coverage, not to mention your wallet, right? Because it can be a costly mistake if you do. Even if you're working and you have employer-based coverage, you want to.
No, it's okay. Go ahead.
Okay, I'm sorry. Even if you have employer-based coverage, you don't want to wait till the last minute because it could be a costly mistake. Okay, so you want to just come to us and let us assist you with the coverage.
100%. And talk about Medicare open enrollment. Yeah. What should people know about that? Everyone hears about it.
That's right. And again, that's another confusing piece of it, right? So it's actually annual enrollment period. So annual enrollment period happens the same time every year, October 15th through December 7th. And it's a big time of the year for our consumers to make a plan change, to review their existing plans, to change from a Medicare Advantage plan or a Med Sup. So those are the things, and that's that confusing part of it. So annual enrollment period happens October 15th to the December 7th. And it's important that you do review even if you're happy with your plan, because change happens every year with our Medicare Advantage space and our Medicare Advantage space. And sometimes, you know, your prescription drug plans can change. Again, Stephanie mentioned costly mistakes. Your doctors may not participate with the plan. And you don't want to be surprised in January when they become effective in January 1 that now my doctor doesn't participate with my plan. There is an open enrollment period too between January and March for those who have a Medicare Advantage plan. But if you have a Medicare supplement plan, you may be caught and not have coverage or something like that.
And that's why they need you and your team, and you guys are located in Lancaster, Bowmansville area?
Correct, yes.
And then how big is your team?
Actually, there's 3 of us currently, and Austin Swart is our other Medicare representative, but he also represents life, and he also is able to do New York State of Health.
So for those watching right now and they need help, they need some guidance, why should they come and visit your team?
Okay. Would you like to
So some of the biggest mistakes that people make is that they wait too long to review their plans and things like that. So you want to come, because what we do is help you prepare early enough to start the Medicare process. So you want to come to us because we can simplify things for you.
And really having that simplicity is so important because if
Absolutely.
you're feeling stuck, it really
Yeah.
you need a team that really knows
Right.
Yeah.
what they're doing. And then how can people learn more about simplicity, making an appointment with your team?
Absolutely. Thank you for, we appreciate the viewers, obviously, and we appreciate being here. But the biggest thing for us is visit our website. And we have a website, www.sagwny.com. We also have a YouTube channel. And we would encourage people to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We talk about, it's an educational space. We talk about Medicare, we talk about the simplicity, we break it down, and it's just educational and informative. We also would just encourage you. We are in Western New York, we're in different counties, so our office is in Bowmansville, but we're covering Western New York and even some other states. So we just encourage you to make an appointment. We ask the caregivers to get involved. You know, we love it when somebody makes an appointment and saying, I'm bringing someone with me. We encourage that, and I think it's very important to create that understanding that everyone's involved and we get enough people, and that generates knowledge, right?
Yes,
And so visit our website, make an appointment. We can come to your home. We can come to your community, someplace near you. You can come to our office. We're at different locations, libraries. We do various events, and you can find our events on our website. And so please, contact Simplicity Advisory Group.
All right, well, thank you for being
Thank you.
here today. You can get in touch with Simplicity Advisory Group by calling them, emailing them, or by visiting sagwny.com. Thank you again.